When considering a bathroom renovation, one of the most common questions homeowners ask is, what is the actual cost of a walk-in shower? The actual cost of a walk-in shower varies widely, typically ranging from $10,000 to $20,000. Prices depend on size, materials, design, labor, and additional features, with the average cost falling between $12,000 to $15,000 for most installations. This video aims to provide an in-depth look into these costs, offering insights from shower remodel specialists and first-hand accounts to help you understand the full financial scope of adding a walk-in shower to your home. Factors affecting walk-in shower cost include size, materials, design and customization, labor, plumbing modifications, demolition and preparation, waterproofing and ventilation, accessibility features, permits and regulations, additional features, design complexity and location. Walk-in shower cost by size, small up to 32-inch by 32-inch. Cost range $4,000 to $8,000. Medium 48 inches by 36 inches. Cost range $5,000 to $10,000. Large over 60 by 36 inch. Cost range to $8,000. And custom sizes and luxury showers. Cost range $10,000 to $20,000. Additional considerations include design complexity, material choices, labor rates, additional features, and preparation work. Walk-in shower cost by type. 1. Prefabricated units cost range $8,000 to $10,000. 2. Tiled showers cost range $8,000 to $15,000 plus. Solid surface cost range $8,000 to $15,000 for custom glass enclosures cost range $1,000 to $4,000 for the enclosure alone. 5. Barrier-free showers add $1,500 to $3,000 to initial cost. 6. Luxury showers cost range $12,000 to $20,000 plus. How to set a budget for a walk-in shower. Research costs, define your needs and wants, get multiple quotes, include a contingency fund, prioritize, and consider financing options. The cost of setting up a walk-in shower in your home can vary widely based on a range of factors, from the choice of materials and design to labor costs and additional features. By understanding these factors and carefully planning and budgeting for your project, you can create a functional, beautiful, and value-adding feature in your home.